a moment in your bones when the fire takes over. Blood is running, heart is pumping as the battle gets closer. They can say what they want now, 'cause we'll be screaming out, we can be heroes everywhere we go. We can have all that we ever want. Swinging like Ali, knocking out bodies, standing on top like a champion. Keep your heart silver, give me that gold. You'll remember when I say we can be heroes everywhere we go. Keeping us down is impossible, 'cause we're unstoppable.
Just ain't fair. Don't you remember that night? There was magic in the air. Tell me what I gotta do to get your smile on mine. Get you back in my arms later on tonight. How about a table for two? How about a bottle of wine? Tell me what I gotta do to get your smile on mine. On mine. Tell me what I gotta do.
Back when country wasn't cool, everybody got a small town anthem. Everybody got a story to tell. Everybody got a hallelujah. Everybody been through a little hell. When you're rolling down a two-lane highway and you turn your radio on, tell me which one hits you, baby. Yeah, what's your country song? Yeah, what's your country song? Who's your strawberry wine? What's your family tradition? What makes you turn it up, make you raise your cup every time you listen?